sound. Oh, di ba cute? Hey, kanta. Want you, baby. Okay, next pair.
Me at the
Okay, next. Solo ka, uwi na ka. Solo ka. Thank you so much. At this junction, I also like to call the very beautiful grandmother of our lovely ladies and gentlemen. Let's all put our hands. Let's all put our hands together too. Mommy, Elsa. The lone sister of our lovely ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Daniela! Okay, go second. Hey! Salamin. Salamin. Ako salamin ang saya. Okay, thank you so much, Daniela. And of course, this event would not be possible and would not be successful without the ever supportive and ever loving mother of our lovely ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome Mommy Debbie. Hey! Thank you so much, Mommy Debbie. Suspense DJ. Ladies and gentlemen, the Boo celebration is more than just any other birthday celebration. Because this is the young lady's formal introduction into the society. It's also one of the very important events in the young lady's life next to marriage. Today calls for a grand celebration, and it is my distinct pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time the reason why we are gathered here tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, without much further ado, let's all rise please, let's all rise please and give a warm round of applause. Please welcome our lovely debutant, Ella Becca! Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. You said hello, and I turned to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd love again. That was indeed very quickly in trance of our lovely debutant. Once again, a round of applause, please, to Ella Becca. You can now take your seats, everyone. Ella Nika. You can now take your seat, please, Ella. Nika Ella. Ella Nika. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to keep us all motivated and inspired this evening, I would like to call Mommy Dibblin to give us the welcome address. A round of applause, please.
Happy isn't birthday, my daughter, Micaela Velasquez. I love you, baby.
Oh.
I always remember that Mama always loved you, always support you. Daddy also, and Daddy. Then, continue lang ka sa inyong dreams. And, butan ka sige ha. Butan sige. Kailan ka, ayaw ka ni Mama. Love you.
Love.
Thank you so much, Mami. Hatag ang mag-message, Mami. Pero dito, at least welcome, Mami. So thank you so much, Mami, for that very warm welcome. So once again, good evening, everyone. So obviously, I am your event host for tonight. And I would like to introduce to you myself. Okay, I am named Wendell Stars Contento, a registered medical technologist at Chongwa Hospital, and a part-time DJ at 93.9 IFM Cebu. Mapunghan pa ni. Okay, so if ever ganahan mo radio, no kato, if ever lang na mo opportunity, if ever sa inyong mga free time, Mondays to Fridays from 8 a.m. till 10, you're going to hear me on air together with Idol Boy and Idol Mikey Gold. Ang name sa radio kay Cebu's charming auntie, Maria B. So if ever you are riding in jeepney or even in the comforts of your own home, makanuwag mong ikay IFM, basta IFM Idol, basta Idol, IFM. So ako na gina siya. I'm so honored and delighted to be your host this evening. Pakpak sa mo dira, oy. Mga magwapo ba na diri? Mga gwapo kayo na diri sa kini. Karon, gwapo kayo pamega, oy. Oy, paper, pamega. Also, we are here to party and we are here to celebrate. So, bawal ang mga KJ, ha? Dapat mo participate sa mga games later on, sa mga trivia questions later on, no? Dapat dili kayo seryoso sa kinabuhi, kay mga bata para ba, di ba? If ever seryoso kayo sa kinabuhi, asa man ang makitaan ato nas ICU. Wala sa itong event karon. Okay, so as we go along with the program, sometimes I may utter a word na puro mag out of nowhere lang ba? Pero kasagaran sa akong isulti, binuang ka din na siya, no? So don't take it seriously. So if ever mo anak ko, magwapo kay ka, binuang ka na, eh. Joke na siya. Ayaw sa iso, ha? Okay, so I believe that most of you here, okay, though, members of the 18 Roses, kindly get ready, ha? Maybe na members of the 18 Roses. So I believe that most of you here are closest to the heart of our lovely debutant, Ella Nika. Ella. Oh, Nika Ella, di ay nabalida ko. Nika Ella. Mauli ay Nika Ella. Di kayo pwede ma-Ella Nika, dapat Nika Ella, no? So I believe that most of you are closest to her heart. So I would like to ask some of you a question. So if you were to describe Nika Ella in one word, what would that be and why? Ikaw wapo. Ikaw, how are you related to Ella? To Nika Ella? Sige, Baro. Your name, please?
Clyde.
Clyde. So if you are to describe your classmate in one word, what word would that be and why?
Huwag siya, hilig siya kanta-kanta, kada mga competition mo, appeal ko na siya sa mga competition sa mga kanta. Mabitaw, tawag na mo niya si Sayang Girl. Eh, makanta man, ni kanta man ka last pagbalong sayang na sayang talaga. So, wala. Kung ihan siya, tulad na tulad.
Thank you so much, Clyde. So according to Clyde, Micaela is very hardworking, no? Yeah, she is also good in singing. Yan yung opening number, every time mo kanta siya, is Sayang by Aegis. Diba sa ito yung kanta? O lagi by Aegis, lagi. Kinama ko siya Sayang by Manilin Reynes. Sayang na sayang na. Kana by Manilin Reynes. Ako amigo. Paborito amigo. Ako amigo virgin kay kanong gabi una, no? Kung ako na yung award, award of most polite and beauty. Thank you so much, Clyde. So, classmate, ari na din sa kanina table. Classmates mo? Classmates mo ni Kuan, ni Kaela? Kisa may amigo diri. Amigo. O ikaw dong, diba ko gagugol kang adjective. So, according to Clyde, si Micaela is hardworking. Kung saan mo siguro masulti ni Micaela, parang ba? Parang yung sa panganin mo, wala mauwaw ka. Mauwaw ka lang, kaya magbati na mo. O ka talaga na mauwaw na magbati, di ba? Pangan. DJ, baka sa DJ, hindi makagdong DJ. O sa pangan dong?
Prince.
Prince Warehouse? Oh, mao ba? Owner ka sa Prince Warehouse? Mga Prince Hotel, yun di ay laway. Di yun ay warehouse, Prince Hotel, yun ay sosyalan. Prince, o sa'yo mo favorite sports, Prince? Basket klaro man. Abi na ako volleyball player kay baka black tube ka. No? Ba't bang tatangduhat ta? Now mo dati ka, Char. Okay, Prince, how are you related to Nika-Ella?
What's your name? Friend.
Ano nagka-amiga man mo? Kaya ito ba? Ay, dandi ba? So on din. Uy, oyuan, uy. Kay silingan mo. O sa man siya klase ka silingan, Prince? Silingan. Unsa siya ka klase ka pagkasilingan? Istrikta ba siya? Managkan ba siya? Buutan. Buutan. Bakit buutan? Bakit ang dali mo kabutan siya? O saan ang ipamuhat niya? Nakairo kabutan ka nang naglaw siya sa mga kuhan, mananap sa inyong lugar? Kuha? O sa man niyang nakita ang kairo kabutan siya, lampas siya, kaya siya, gilapan niya yung bulingon sa kapit, o sa man? Iwan siya ko itupuglain mo, ikaw lang ganahan, Char. Thank you so much, Prince, sa buotan si Nika-Ella. Ay, kanis, kuhan, si Dane, no, ikagaw. Oh, how do you find your relative man di ay? Oh, ikaw. Siya na itong debutant before. Wala familiar kayo ang face.
If I were to describe her in one word, I will say kanang pure. She's such a pure person kay kanang iyang heart. She has a very pure heart. Kay growing up, isang balita ka ko niya. Basta ka ba?
Thank you so much, Dane. So in other words, dili siya fake, no, di siya plastic. What you say is what you get. Agree sa ginista. Familiar imong naong gwapo. No, natin ka siyang birthday, no. Gani, nasa na siya. Na-smiling kay diri nga table, ay na-notice yun ako iyang kuan. Asa mo to si katawa diri ganina, eh? Asa to ikaw? Ikaw, B, describe ka dito. Ikaw sa manibos ko, Nika-Ella.
My cousin.
Your cousin. So, if you were to describe your cousin, how would you describe her?
She's pretty inside out.
Pretty inside out. So, she's not only beautiful on the outside, but also on the inside. Okay? Oh. Why do you say so? What? Sa English pangka ni? Pag Bisaya o ihahaham ka. Abi na ako mag-nosebleed ko ni mo ha. Kay, hindi ako anemic ra ba ko na mag-nosebleed pa ko ani. Wala pa ko dadag tissue. Sige na, o sa pangangay ni mo gwapo? Oh, sige na. Ano nakaingon lang ka nga gwapo, abuutan siya, nga nang beautiful siya on the outside.
As you can see, her aura, especially right now. Kaya nga lang grabe kasi niya kay shining, shimmering skin.
Like a whole new world, palitaan mo eh. Shining, shimmering, splendid, a whole new world. Mo na yung automotive karon no, kaya na may mga stars, may mga moons, kay a whole new world, the shining, shimmering, splendid. So, based on her aura ko, no, that when you are beautiful on the inside, mugawas na mas imong aura yun, di ba? Thank you so much. So, ari tas igsuon oy si Daniela atong pangutanon, how do you find your sister? Stricta ba siya? Tabangan ba kanya Daniela? Kani kay mo man din siya ang perspective sa mga kuan, sa mga tao no in public. What about in private? How do you find your sister? Hello Mon? So, kung sa mga siya?
Honest.
Honest siya.
Honest. May ano man?
Kanang,
Cheating.
kanang kung nakoy assignment niya, lisunod ko, iya ko tabangan.
So honest ng inana. Kanang naka-assignment tatabangan kaniya. Helpful sa siya mo no sa mga assignment no. Thank you so much Danila. Ikaw kung ano sige naka-video diha. Ikaw bi usa mas imong masundin niya bi.
Si Nika ay grabe siya ka-sweet. Tinutigin ko nito yung pure kay siya. Genuine ganaya yung attitude ko sa kaniya mo pa na. Sweet. Love you, Dad.
So, mao gyud na siya. Kung unsa kaniya, mao sa gyud na siya. Okay, thank you so much. So, ready na ba ang mga 18 roses? Okay, ready na ha. So, yan lang mo kung asa mo galingkod. As soon as I call your names, balog lang mo Tagalog rose, okay? Like a beautiful flower that attracts butterflies and bees, our lovely debutant will be surrounded by 18 equally handsome young gentlemen, which will be called as her 18 roses. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the part of our program in which the guys have been waiting for. A chance to hold the hand of our lovely debutant for a short dance, then maybe a kiss, a hug. So let us not keep them waiting. Starting off, I would like to call the 18 roses. Starting off with Daddy Alejandrino, Daddy. So diha lang mo barok na okay, dali lang ka Ma'am Gigi. Hala. DJ. So again ha, I think na kayo na po sa kawan ani. Pato na ni natin quiz ani ha. Daddy, sa'yo Daddy.
When I go too far, you're the swimming pool. I'm not a snake, and you're the perfect food to see. And you play a card.
And now for the twist. Oh, sayang. Hey, hey, kaya oh. No, ito na sa'yo Daddy oh. Wow. Guys, ito sa'yo Daddy no. Thank you so much Daddy. So don't leave the debutant yet. No, as soon as the next rose won't arrive. Okay, so ayaw biyaya ang debutant. Next, we have Datrip Alejandrino. Naradili ang rose, ha?
Take me to your heart, show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love. All the stars are right, every wish is ours tonight. too strong. Maybe I waited too long. Maybe I played my cards wrong. Just a little bit. Maybe
And now for the twist.
challenge for I could fall or I could fly here in your airplane. And I could
Watch me whip. Go! Go, man! Hey! Hey, hey, hey!
And if you want me, you gotta put the work.
Thank you so much, Matt. Next, Matt, ay taglay, Matt. Oh, next we have You Are the Bar.
I've loved you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time. Feel this feeling I have inside.
And now for the twist.
If we ever broke up, I know this time.
Go, You Are. Hey! Oh, I'm like, goodness, you want to ask me I won. Next we have Ronan Ichiwaya.
She's always on my mind. From the time I wake up till I close my eyes, she's everywhere I go. She's all I know.
And now for the twist. Go, Ronan. Hey! Thank you so much. Next, we have Earl Ichiwaya.
Nice ka, Tods! Nice ka, Tods! That's it! Shining shimmering! Tods! Tods! Shining shimmering!
What I just heard.
Mag-reading sa mag- Sabay siya matulog niya, mag-
And now for the twist.
Ano ba?
Earl, oy, oh. Hinggang Earl, yung nas uptown na yun, oh. Ako na isang kwarto na niya, pag-upat na.
You've been waiting for me to wait until in my imagination I'll be in love with you. I know you got that feeling too.
Yeah, next we have Clyde Benedict.
You are the one, girl. You know that it's true. I'm feeling younger every time that I'm alone with you.
And now for the twist. That's a big Clyde. Thank you so much, Clyde. Next we have Rico Brian.
Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you.
gentlemen, please welcome Justine Purgatorio. Sweet ni Justine. Wow.
Come lay here beside me. I'll tell you how I feel. There's a secret inside me. I'm ready to reveal. To have you close, embrace your heart with my love. Over and over. These are things that I promise. My promise to you.
Kikilig na ba ang tanan? Wow. Katawa kay Clyde, uy. And now for the twist. Go, just go, Justin. Watch me. The TikToker is Justin. Uy, oh. Kaya mo pa, uy. Okay, thank you so much, Justin. And of course, the 18th rose is reserved to the most beautiful and most loving mother in our debutant's life, who stands not only a mother but also a father to her. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mami Debelyn Alejandrino. Ang ina at tatay ng ating lovely debutant, Mami Debelyn.
I bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow.
Thank you so much. Once again, round of applause please to the mother and daughter dance. At this juncture, I would like to request the rest of the 18 roses to come here in front for a photo op together with our lovely debutant, please. All the members of the 18